Yes boys, ek wil net vir julle sê baie sterkte vir die naweekse game teen Affies. Dis 'n groote. Ons al boys back hulle al die pad en dan gaan maak ons trots.
What's good, kids, boys? Hope you guys are doing proper. Obviously ahead of your game this weekend. Every game counts. You know, as much as any other game that you play. So I just wish you guys all the best, all the luck. And obviously you guys have been putting in the hard work. That I know for sure, man. Working hard. Just keep trusting the process. Trust the coaches. Most importantly, trust one another. Go give it your all. Never forget to have fun, man. Cheers, man. All the love.
Yes, Brain Race boys. Ek hoop julle is reg vir die naweek. Baie moeilike wedstryd hierdie naweek. Maar ons staan agter julle, ons staan sterk. Ons backie boys en onthou altyd. The colours we wear, the brown and the gold, the colours that never shall die, shall die. Sterkte boys. Ons dink aan julle, ons is trots. Wees help mekaar se trots. Ons is daar om te support.
As a boys, we say to you, just been asked to send you some messages, and I just want to say good luck for a game this weekend against Pretoria boys. Give it horns in the Reds field, special place to play on, special jersey to put on, and yeah, just play like it's your last game, because yeah, it goes quickly. So yeah, enjoy the game and give it horns. Take care.
Ek kan doen maar alles sterk te sê vir die naweek vir julle. Ons weet dit sal goed gaan en ons glo in julle. Lekker gasie beere.
Sterkte met die help mekaar fixer boys.
Ek wil net sterkte sê aan Menlo se eerste span vir die naweekse game. Gaan uit en doen julle beste, gents. Geniet hom.
We just wanted to wish Pretoria boys out good luck this weekend against Cares and just give it once.
And just a special mention to the Bone Machine and the Crow for making the impossible possible. Yeah, good luck.
Was